Okay, this is the second time I'm doing this. The other one's like 8-9 minutes long, but then I figured that my mic wasn't plugged in right. Okay, so let me just get my groove back. Alright, so yeah, this is my work in progress scene. I haven't done any updates for a while since I had exams and everything, but I now my 8-week holiday, and since I'm bored shitless already, since I have no social life whatsoever, I'm gonna work on this again. It's in Blender 2.55. I was originally doing it in 2.54. But yeah, everything's done by me. The first time I've not downloaded any models. It's all done by me. Except the bird here, that was from Big Buck Bunny. Guilty, but I hate rigging. Rigging's crap, and weight painting, it's a nightmare. I hate it. So yeah. I added some baseball, some little wooden thing here, some little soccer balls, carpets. Added a bookshelf, which took a long time to unwrap. And what is this doing here? That was for my cloth simulation, but that failed for some reason. I don't know why. The cloth simulation went straight on the final render, and it pisses me off, so I thought, screw it. Okay, so now, what should I show you first? Alright, I'll show you this. Now, this is basically what's going to show in the final render, but I'm going to change the starting camera position because this looks retarded. Alright, so here we go. I'll turn it up so you can hear my voice. Okay, so let me explain my day. Today I went to school, and we had a half a day, so we finished at 12. That means I only did like math, no, I did IT, math, and then recess, and then I had design and religion, and then yeah, I'm now here recording this, about to animate in Blender, which will probably take an hour because I don't know anything about animation. Anyway, enjoy. Oh, that's so kick-ass, I'm so proud. Oh yeah, this is gonna get me into TAFE. So, yeah, that's pretty much my stuff. And hopefully I'll put some, well, I'll show you what I have to do. First, I have to add some curtains here, then I have to whack on a sim simulator to it, and then hopefully it might actually come up in the actual render, and I have to add another thing here. I have to unwrap this window here because it just screws up. Might put a seam around it. I have to add some drawers here. That means I have to stuff this up. That means I have to unwrap that too. And then I might add a few socks here. More simulations. Then I might add a few t-shirts lying around, some dolls that I'll probably make in Sculptress, or if I'm bored I'll do it in here. And yeah, this will probably be finished around January. I'm probably going to do I'm still debating whether to do a Blender internal render or a Octane render with a new script that will hopefully be made by January. And yeah. Here is a little sneak peek render. Let's see the whole thing right here. This looks a good one. This is the money shot, right? This is the $100 million shot. So this is gonna take a while. You know why? Because it's CPU rendering. Yeah, some ugly UV wrapping right here. What else? Need to add a little curtain. A few little socks here. I'll try to add some mist when this some sun rays. You know, when dust gets caught in the sun. I don't know if you can do that in Blender, but hopefully I'll try and do that. And yeah, I might add a hockey thing here. It'll all turn out good. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this little sneak preview. I'll try and post more, and hopefully I'll render this in 2K or 1K. And yeah, alright, I'll see you in about 2 weeks or so. See ya.